Hello, agents. Hello, everyone. Well, it's been a busy week, busy couple weeks. Rates are flying up. The 10-year is still almost at 3% right here. It did top off at 312. Long story short, interest rates have increased incredibly across the board, index, immediate, and regular deferred. And this is one that came out, and I just found it interesting. It is not really readily available for all agents, only available in those states that just popped up there. And let's just get into it. But it is a 4%. You can earn up to 4% for up to 5 years. But let's look at the uniqueness of this product. So let's jump right into it right now. Cool. Okay, so here's the rate sheet from the company right here. And I'm on, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it is multiple options here. So you have a 3-year and it gives you a guarantee. This is the basic MIGA. So if you want the MIGA, you take the first line here. So 310 for 3. If you want to remove the 10% free withdrawal, it raises the interest rate to 320. So it's kind of the opposite of those buy the rider, buy the rate down. This one is have the rider and you buy the rate up by withdrawing the rider. So what we get really interesting here is in the 5-year. So it's a 3.65 for 5. Nothing will change. 10% free withdrawal, all that good stuff. If you want to remove the 10% free withdrawal, 3.75. If you want to remove the guarantee of that rate staying the whole time, so switch to a trust me rate, the rate goes to 390. If you add both of those, withdrawing the 10% and withdrawing the guarantee of the rate to a trust me rate, the rate goes to 4%. Now, let me just say, this product, if you go to the 4% rate, they have a bailout option. So if they drop below 4, you can just leave. So it's not a MIGA anymore. It's a SPDA with an annual resetting rate, but it has a floor bailout. Really cool. These have happened before, but this one's pretty new. So let's look down what else this product offers. Issues to age 90. That's cool. 2,000 to start. I mean, that's a good place to just drop some money, see what happens. 2,000 at 4%. Death benefit is the full account value, no surrender charges or MVA. Now, all the ones above I talked about come with the free withdrawals of interest with no fees. They all come with an RMD withdrawal with no fees. Now, the 10% is included, but at that, you're right, you got to buy down the rate. You can remove this 10% to get the better rates above. There's no automatic renewal. So it's a true walk away. At the end of the term, the surrender charge goes to 0, and they have a very nice minimum guarantee we'll get into shortly. MVA is applied to withdrawals above any of the free withdrawals. So if you accumulated interest or the 10%, but if you remove the 10% and then take, say, 6% more than the interest, there's going to be a surrender and MVA on the difference. So be aware of that. And this thing can be annuitized anytime after the first year for as little as 5 years. Here the withdrawal charges breaks down pretty simple. We'll get into that later too. So let's look at the waiver. So this is the withdrawal charge waiver. So this is what you really want to look at. This is going to be part of the contract. This rider has been attached to make a permanent part of your contract, right? And let's just goes through, explains crediting rates and all that. But this is the section we really want to look at. The crediting rate, interest rate on your contract will be 4%. Great. And then we jump to 5. The minimum's 1, all that good stuff. But if the crediting interest rate is reduced below 4%, which is the current rate. Now, if you issue the contract at 410, it'll say 410. At 320, it'll say 320. Whatever the rate is at the time. Currently, May 10th, 2022, it's 4%, subject to change at any time, right? Okay, so the crediting rate is reduced below 4%. The withdrawal charges and MVA will be waived on a full surrender of your contract from the effective date of such change, as long as the actual crediting rate is lower than 4%. So that's good, right? You can just walk away. So if they come back and they say, oh, the rate's 350, we can't afford this 3 anymore. Heck, you might keep 350 because if you got to go out to the marketplace, maybe it's not as good. So there's your risk reward. But then again, you can just walk away and take all your money. No surrender charge. Yeah. So there's no full value or surrender charge. So let's look at the next piece here. And this goes into the actual contract where I go through the partial withdrawals. And this is the part where they show the, the accumulated interest withdrawal charge and margin will be waived. So if you take the accumulated, this just kind of, because it says MVA on withdrawal. So you always go to the contract to read to make sure. Combining a contract with fact sheets and illustrations is the best way to know everything that's going on. So that handles that. This is the commission breakdown. If you guys are interested, that's how the commission breaks down right there. You can pause the screen there if you're really interested. And then I've developed a whole website, a web page of my own. You can link this through my MYGA quick reference guides or right through our website. And it breaks down kind of the interest rates and everything, kind of a cheat sheet on the whole product. Again, only available in these few states right now. They are looking to do more states, and that would be cool. The company is not rated by AM Best, so let's get that out in front. They do have this S substantial from this demo tech. I don't know much about it, so I'm not gonna talk on it. According to the people that write this stuff, it's equivalent to an A- AM Best. Again, all the company's strength is based on how well they can pay claims. This company can pay all claims as of right now. So that's how it breaks down. Really good new product. I like a little innovation. I like the fact that it's a true walk away and you can leave after the 3, 5, 7, or 10-year crediting methods you choose. It's a fair commission to the agent, very client friendly. What I call probably one of the traditional, not the second gen MYGAs. It's more of a traditional MYGA. So, okay, we're getting a little long here in the video. We're going to have split annuity video coming out soon. Full on immediate annuities, how they've improved. Some stuff on pensions. You know, California started a whole pension thing where if you have 5 employees or more, pretty soon you're going to have some type of 401k, and we'll go get into that and on how some companies have this really cool way you can grab a census, not much to do, and you can be part of their 401k as just a life-only licensed agent. So really great stuff coming up this month. Hope you all enjoy this video, and we'll be talking at you soon. Enjoy the rest of your week, and like and follow, subscribe, and let's get you appointed and sell some annuities with us over here at FSD, your independent annuity and life wholesaler. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.